I came upon a prison ship, bound down by iron chains, cleared the land, endured the lash, and waited for the rains. I'm a settler, I'm a farmer's wife, on a dry and barren run. A convict, then a free man, I became Australian.
I'm a daughter of a digger who sought the mother lode. The girl became a woman on the long and dusty road. I'm a child of the Depression, and I saw the good times come. I'm a bushie, I'm a battler, I am Australian.
I'm a teller of stories, I'm a singer of songs. I am Albert Namatjira, and I paint the ghostly gums. I'm Clancy on his horse, I'm Ned Kelly on the run. I'm the one who waltzed Matilda, I am Australian.
For we are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australian.
From the desert, I'm the black soil of the plains, I'm the mountains and the valleys, the drought and flooding rains. I am the rock, I am the sky, the rivers when they run. I'm the spirit of this great land, I am Australian.
And sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australian. We are one, but we're many, and from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australian. Out here nothing changes, not in a hurry anyway. You can feel the endlessness with the coming of the light of day. You talk about a chosen place, you want to sell it in the marketplace. Well, just a minute now. Standing on solid rock, standing on sacred ground, living on borrowed time, and the winds of change blowing down the line. Right down the line.
We're round about the dawn of time, when the dreaming all began. The proud people came, they were looking for their promised land, running from the heart of darkness, searching for the heart of light. Their paradise.
While they were standing on solid rock, standing on sacred ground, living on borrowed time, and the winds of change blowing cold that night. They were standing on the shore one day, saw the white sails in the sun. Wasn't long before they felt the sting. White man, white law, white gun. Don't tell me that it's justified, 'cause somewhere, someone lied. Yes, someone lied. Now you're standing on solid rock, standing on sacred ground, living on borrowed time, and the winds of change blowing down the line. Solid rock, standing on sacred ground, living on borrowed time, and the winds of change blowing down the line. No!